Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Microsoft Word and closing any open documents so changes apply cleanly. Make sure your Mac OS is up to date enough to support app appearance controls. Older builds may behave differently. Once Word is active, focus on the top menu bar. You will use Word preferences and the main view options to control appearance. Doing these first prevents conflicts with system-wide themes and keeps your document colors predictable as you switch modes. Now adjust Word's own appearance settings. Open Word preferences and look under General or Personalize for theme or appearance controls. Choose Light Theme or toggle off any Word-specific dark mode options. This directly changes ribbon, sidebars, and canvas backgrounds. If the Word option is grayed out, make sure to exit full screen and check whether Word follows the Mac OS system appearance. In that case, open System Settings and set Appearance to Light so Word inherits the light look. Finish by quitting and reopening Word so the interface fully switches to light mode. You'll see ribbon and document background update. If the setting won't change, reset Word preferences or install the latest Office update because corrupted preferences or outdated builds often block theme toggles. Make sure Mac OS appearance isn't forcing dark mode. Adjust settings appearance and confirm Word isn't set to follow System Dark. If problems remain, sign out and back into your Microsoft account.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.